I stand at infinity's end, yet I am at the beginning of all things. Know, O children of man, that there is no beginning nor end. There only exists the eternal isness of all things. Be well, O children of man. Be well and bask in the knowledge, flowing forevermore from the fountain of wisdom. I, Thoth the Atlantean, bring you words of knowledge of ages past and ages yet to come. Know that the illusion of the time-space is merely an illusion of the senses. It is there to blind man from that which truly is. I share my wisdom with you, so also you may pierce through the veil of the night, see through the veil of illusion, and see the truth of the light. Time is a byproduct of traveling in linear space. You only exist in a linear fashion in the dense time-space continuum of your earth reality. Be free, O children of man. Be free from the toil of darkness, for these illusions are only there to distract your mind and to put barriers between you and the All. I give you the key of knowledge for overcoming the time-space reality. All listen closely, worthy seeker, and bask in my knowledge that I bring you from infinity's end. Close your eyes and stay in darkness. Before hands, cleanse your body and cleanse the mind of all heaviness. Meditate upon the symbol of the heart. Immersed in the eternal darkness, break free from the bonds of your physical structure, and let your mind be free and roam the cosmos as you please. Do this also while sitting, immersed in darkness. Lock yourself away from the distractions of the illusory world. Calm your mind, turn off your senses. Send a wave of vibration from the center of your head. Send it again and again. 3 times do this, after which thine mind has been cleared of distracting thoughts and distorted knowledge that can limit your interaction with the All. After you have done so, from the center of your head, look through the darkness that surrounds you. Look past the walls of limitation and travel by vision. Look into past times and times yet to come upon the world of men. Know that your mind is limitless. There is nothing that you cannot reach through the mind of the All. Since all is mind, the universe is the mental creation of the All. Be well, O children of the light. Be well, son of the morning.